I write a word, euphony. You come across this word in a reading comprehension. तो वोकैबुलरी का कितना इंपॉर्टेंस है, अगर आप ये नहीं समझते हैं तो आप रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में एक्सपर्ट कभी नहीं हो पाएंगे. यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? इज द स्क्रीन गॉन? इज इट वर्किंग? द स्क्रीन इज वर्किंग, राकेश? Okay. So for example, if you come across this word in a reading comprehension, euphony, who can tell me the meaning? Very good. What's your name? करिश्मा. करिश्मा के लिए एक जोरदार ताली हो जाए भाई. In fact, her name reminds me of a good English word. Karishma has got a charismatic personality. इसका मतलब आप लोग सबका charismatic personality है. ठीक है? It is very difficult to praise one girl when other girls are there. You have to be very careful, right? Anyway, so you come across this word. I don't need to learn it. I don't need to memorize this word. Very simple logic. What is the simple logic? Can you tell me the logic? Phone is sound. But you made an intelligent guess. You knew the word. See, EU is a positive prefix. EU means good. EU means good. When I say he is a professor of eugenics, EU is good, genics is genetics. Matlab, he is studying the breeding of good species. He is in the process of, he is in the study of breeding good species. He is a scientist who is dealing with that. When I say India won the one-day match and the entire audience was full of euphoria. India won the ODI yesterday? Yesterday or day before yesterday? Yesterday, right? So the entire audience, the entire country was in euphoria. Now we know good, phoria, fervor, fever, joy. So good joy. So EU is positive. So EU is positive, phony is sound, euphony, good sound. Similarly, if you come across a word, very good. Cacophony. We know caco is bad, phony is sound, bad sound. आप समझ रहे हैं? One of the best texts that I like is Bhagavad Gita. Right? Bhagavad Gita is not a religious text. Let me make you very clear. It is not a text of Hindus. It is a universal text. The entire Bhagavad Gita doesn't contain a word Hindu. It doesn't contain word Shankar, Durga, Ram, Shiv, anything. It doesn't contain anything. It is a dialogue between a mentor and a disciple. A mentor and a student. Bhagavad Gita is the only text in this world on which around 15,000 commentaries have been written. There are more than 15,000 interpretations of Bhagavad Gita by different people. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan has written one. Balkrishna Gokhale has written one. You are getting my point? So why am I discussing this? In Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna asks Krishna, where does God reside? See, I am not discussing spiritualism, I am discussing language. I'll come to it. So he asks, where does God reside? So Krishna replies, Ishvara sarva bhutana hridaya se Arjun tishtati. That is the reply. Ishvara sarva bhutana hridaya se Arjun tishtati. Sarva bhutana, bhutana, God resides in the heart of every living being. Simple as that. So every word, meaning of all the words is in the word itself, only if you know the art of decoding it. If you know the art of opening it. You are getting my point? आ रहा बात समझ में ना? Any doubt? For example, if I write a word dysphoria. Now you know this is negative prefix. Dysfunction. right? Dysentery, disease, dyspepsia, dyslexia, which famous Hindi movie was made on dyslexia? Tare Zameen Par. So see, charisma is really charismatic. So what is dyslexia? So क्या हमको याद करने का जरूरत है इस वर्ड को? No. This is negative and lex is, we know lexicon. Lexicon is a collection of words. So dis and lex. So somebody who is not good at reading and studying, somebody who faces difficulty while reading and studying is a dyslexic. आ रहा है बात समझ में? कोई दिक्कत? Yes or no? अरे जोर से बोलो यार. चाय मंगवाएं? हाँ? See, if you don't participate, आप नहीं सोओगे, मैं सो जाऊंगा. So you will have to, anyway, I have not introduced myself to all of you. How many of you know me? I come to Hyderabad every year. Srikanth ji is a very good friend of mine. I've stayed in Hyderabad for 2.5, 3 years. Long back. I love this place. I love the people of this place. Right? Oh, really, I love the people of this place and I love this place. If I get an opportunity, I will, at a later stage of my life, I might settle down in Hyderabad. So, who am I? And does anybody know my name? Fine, chalo, kam se kam aapko naam malum hai. Although Shakespeare said, what is there in a name? So, I am Sanjeev Kumar Pandey and I am coming from where? भाई देखो अभी आपको बताया, if you have to defeat an enemy, if you have to defeat an enemy, a question paper is your enemy. What is the first thing that you should do? You should know your enemy inside out. Russia did not know the strength of Ukraine. Russia miscalculated the strength of Ukraine. That Ukraine was being constantly and consistently being helped by NATO countries was ignored by Russia. किसी चीज को मारना है ना, डिफीट करना है, तो सबसे पहला काम क्या है? We must know the things inside out. Yes or no? Right?